Hello everyone and welcome back. I know it has been a while since my last unboxing video, but I'm very excited today to share with you the unboxing of my new Prada bag. And I know I'm a little late to the party, but I recently started watching Singles Inferno and I fell absolutely in love with Gia and this little pink bag she was carrying around the island. So I contacted Prada's customer service, and while it did take them a little while to get back to me, they did put me in contact with a lovely sales associate who was able to help me find one of the last few. So they shipped it right to me, and right now I have opened the tape on the top of the box, but I'm very excited to keep opening it with you. So let's get into it. As you can see, like I said, I've already cracked the tape on the top of the box, and it's been sent in a very large cardboard box. There we are. And here we are. Right on top is some tissue paper. That has like stuffing in it, sort of padding, I suppose, for the shipping. I will set that aside, and we have a little bit more. Ooh. Okay, and I will turn the box around for you. There you can see it inside the box, the beautiful Prada box, and I believe the shopping bag underneath. Okay, so here is the box, and I'll set the box in. Here is the shopping bag. And it looks absolutely gorgeous with this cute ribbon tied around it. I think you can kind of see the logo here on the box. Alrighty. So I'm just going to go ahead and untie this ribbon so we can get right into it. Ribbon aside here. And now let's see if we can open it. Oh, very exciting. Okay. Alrighty. Here is, I believe this is going to have like the receipt or some other documents in it, so I'm just going to set that aside. And here's the inside of the box with the beautiful tissue paper. Alrighty. And there she is. Isn't it so cute? And I think this must be the dust bag. This is the dust bag right here on top. Okay, so I'll just set that aside too for a moment. Here you can see the bag. So cute. I'm just going to take it out of the box here. And it's this gorgeous pink color. I believe it's called Petal Pink. And the fabric is terry cloth. I believe this is like the re-edition 2000 in terry cloth. And it definitely reminds me of those older Juicy Couture tracksuits that were made out of terry cloth. Very like summery and fun. And I do think this bag is a bit more of like a summer bag, but I could not resist. I love this gorgeous color. And you can see a little bit of leather detailing on the cloche and the zipper pull. Very fun. And when we open her up, we have, okay, it looks like my, I think cards for like authenticity. I'll set those aside. And we have some more tissue paper. Very cute. And inside we have, it's lined with black and it has the like logo, the Prada made in Italy, and there are no pockets. Okay. I really don't think you can see inside from here, but it's a nice little mini bag size. You can see the other Prada logo just on one side. And it does have a silver zipper, sort of this little silver keychain. Very cute. And there we are. It's like the perfect little shoulder bag. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. So yeah, this is the exact bag Gia was carrying around on Singles Inferno, and it immediately struck me. It was like so cute, so girly, definitely very Y2K, very Barbie, and I loved how whimsical it was. She was just carrying around this Prada bag, you know, on the beach and everything. So cute. I am going to definitely enjoy her. Well, thank you so much for opening up this package with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see other unboxing videos, definitely stick around, like and subscribe if you want. It always means a ton to me. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.